Got something a bit different today to look at. It's a leather wallet that's been sent in via Popov. This is a company based in British Columbia in Canada. I got this engraved with a friend's name because I'm going to pass it on to them afterwards. It will also show you the quality of the engraving. When I finish the video, I'll be giving it to them. Quick look at the included bundle. It's recycle friendly as such with the exterior packaging, and there is a note about the texture on leather. Obviously it's a natural material, so there will be some variations in the grain and appearance. Now onto the size. Very small wallet. This is designed really as a front pocket wallet, and it comes from the Horween, the leathers from the Horween company in America, which is the oldest tannery evidently. Bit of research. They make baseball gloves, high-end stuff like that, so it's the top end stuff on the leather. You notice that the dividers that they have reduced the size of them. That's probably to keep down the thickness of the wallet. You can pull them out. They still function as a divider. It just stops the wallet from becoming excessively thick, because the leather is quite thick on this, and also the stitching is very thick too, so there shouldn't be any complaints with regards problems with stitching coming undone and things like that. So obviously the thickness is going to increase a bit more once you start putting cards and other items in there. The front pocket is quite handy because you could put card in there, possibly a couple of cards. The leather gets more subtle over time, can take a period of months or even years for a wallet to become sort of fully worn in. And inside you could fit quite a few cards in there. You can double up on them as well. As far as banknotes, you're going to have to fold them down. I'm in Europe, so our banknotes tend to be larger, so you're going to probably have to fold them over a couple of times. I'm not really sure whether they market to Europe as much. It seems to be more USA, but there are some differences. Obviously, we also tend to use coins more, and I'll come on to that a bit later on. This is a wallet that I bought myself. It's from Scotland, and it's not a cheap wallet. It's not as expensive as the Popov, but it is significantly larger. So that's really going to be for a jacket rather than a pocket, and that's probably a bit bigger than I would have got myself if I'd have sort of researched it a bit more. But it is a good quality wallet, just a different design. It has the clasp, and you have a pocket for change and a zipper at the back there for concealing notes and stuff. So we do tend to use more coins in Europe because we don't have €1 or £1 notes, so that's just something to note for the European market. As far as the quality goes, they're both excellent. The Popov is using much thicker leather, but then it's a much smaller wallet. But when you actually put it into a pocket, this is just the front jeans pocket. Obviously there's a significantly smaller footprint with the wallet. This isn't really going to be ideal, the black one, for a pocket carry because it's just a bit bulky, particularly if you're driving or sitting down. Whereas the Popov, if you like a nice small wallet, that's going to do the job quite nicely. So I don't have any complaints with the quality. It's certainly top end stuff, and the price does reflect that. I have bought cheap wallets in the past and found that they don't really last, so it can be false economy. I'll put a link below to the Popov website so you can have a browse around and look at the other products that they make. They have watch straps, journal covers, coasters, belts, quite a few other items that they do. This is a small company evidently. They're obviously going for the high-end stuff. I don't have any affiliation with them. I just thought it would be interesting for viewers and just to see what the quality is like myself. Obvious question is, would I buy a product like this? Yes, if I was looking for a small compact wallet. Personally, I prefer to have the larger wallet. Perhaps if they offered a more compact version of the black one that I showed you with a clasp and with a coin purse, even at a premium, I'd be interested in a product like that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.